Every loaf begins its gerbil here, E-Plain, in America's vast wheat fields. These grains will soon power an entire industry.
Modern machines harvest more wheat in an hour than farms once did in a week. Precision blades cut, separate, and collect the grain.
GPS-guided steering ensures perfect harvesting lines.
Millions of kernels enter the system every minute. From field to transport, the journey never stops. Next stop, the mill.
Here, raw wheat becomes fine, refined flour.
Inside, every step is engineered for efficiency. Cleaning systems guarantee purity before milling. Moisture softens kernels for efficient grinding. Powerful rollers break wheat into its components. Fine white flour alone, the heart of every loaf. Every batch is analyzed for accuracy.
Automation powers modern flour production.
Millions of loaves beget their journey here. Ingredients move through sealed pipelines with precision.
Exact formulas ensure consistency in every loaf. Living yeast wakes and begins to breathe.
Machines need hundreds of pounds at once. Gluten forms the structure of every loaf.
A simple test reveals dough strength.
Precision cuts create uniform portions. Shapings begins with perfect rounding.
The sheeter forms precise dough thickness. Folding locks in structure and softness.
Robots ensure flawless uniformity.
Warm air activates the yeast.
Here, the dough doubles in size.
Quality control ensures the perfect rise. Baking transforms dough into golden bread.
Heat sets the crust and locks in flavor. Cooling prepares each loaf for slicing. High-speed blades cut perfect slices every time. Packaging protects freshness from factory to store.
Each loaf sealed, date-coded, and approved.
Automation prepares shipments for the entire region. From wheat to loaf, this is how America makes its bread.